Dan here with Triad RV Parts. I'm going to do a little informational video on how to get this latch right here out of the hole that it's in. You may recognize this. This is the outside vent for a refrigerator, and it's made by Dometic, and it'll come on a unit that has the Dometic refrigerator in it. Essentially how it works is that you twist with a screwdriver, and that locks it into place. And how it does that on the inside, it spreads out. Okay, so what you to get it apart, you just twist and then you push, and then the whole thing comes apart. Now I'm going to set that part aside, and to get this part apart, it has to be twisted to the smallest position on the inside, which you won't know that until you actually get to playing with it. If it's very loose like this, then it's in that looser position, and then you just get a set of side cutters. Now I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm just taking the top half of that part, and I'm just going to pull, and it comes apart, and then it comes all the way out. Now when you buy one of these brand new, it'll come just like this. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll break it like I'm doing here, and then it goes in that hole and it pushes in. Now it might not be real easy to get in at first. You have to kind of keep twisting and pushing, but you can get it in, and then you insert it in the hole here, and then you of course push it all the way in, and then you twist, and then it'll spread out. It'll spread out and it'll latch. I hope this helps. Somebody made a comment on a video I did earlier, and that feedback like that I really do appreciate. So now for the most part, there are two different sizes of these black latches. There is a thin wall and a thick wall. For the most part, the thick wall is what goes in the refrigerators, and the thin wall is what goes in the old metal power converters. That's not necessarily always the case, and so I have measured these two items and put the pictures here. So anyway, just to make sure, if you want to take that little latch out and measure it, that you're getting the right one, that'd be a good idea. Hope this helps. And as always, if you have any other questions, feedback, comments, please feel free to email me, Dan@trvparts.com. Thanks for watching.